Hi Mrs. Levitt, hi Miss Walker, and hi Miss Lund. Today I'm going to be doing and completing a science experiment for my IMA award about weathering, erosion, and deposition. To start my experiment, I set some damp sand on the top of this tray so it acts like a mountain. Then I'm going to put 2 or 3 pieces of ice cubes in the corners to represent glaciers. Now I'm going to create a waterbed for the water to run downhill. Now watch closely as I pour this cup of water into the riverbed. See how it looks like a river flowing through a riverbed? And then it breaks down the pieces of sand here, and then it carries the pieces of sand over to the end of the pan. The breaking down of the riverbed is called weathering. Then the movement is called erosion. And then when it settles into a new place, that's deposition. To recap, weathering breaks down the sediment, erosion takes the sediment, and deposition is the process of the sediment settling in a new place. Are rivers the only way to cause weathering? I'm going to use this straw to weather our sand another way, using the power of wind. You see how it broke down the sediment? That is another way of weathering. Finally, let's look at the ice cubes. Notice how they perform some weathering and erosion and deposition. If you don't see too much change now, it's alright, because it's a very slow process. But the ice cubes are representing glacial movement. When glaciers pack up and get frozen, it starts to slide downhill, picking up pieces of sediment and rocks, and then once it lands at the bottom of the hill, it would perform deposition. If you like this science experiment, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe.